Hey guys, well, it's been an interesting week, and normally I would sit here and talk and talk and talk and tell you. Instead of telling you, I'd rather show you the interesting event that's happened this week.
Oh. Didn't see you there. I'd like to discuss with you a problem, a plight in this society. I'd like to discuss with you the plight we have had with birds.
I just don't understand. They've just been coming in and out of my house for no reason.
They have wings that flap. They have beaks that peck. They have, I don't want to talk about their feet.
I don't know. I just don't understand.
Pixie. And the worst thing about birds, they think they're better than us.
Griffith, Matt, what are you doing?
Well, I am PSA'ing.
I know you're PSA'ing. You've been breaking into my house 3 times a week to do unauthorized PSA'S.
I disagree with, I don't like the way that you said that.
Griffith,
it was true, but the tone...
Your things about birds, as the last, 18 have been about. Why are you reading a book about prostitution in mid-19th century America?
You need to watch, it starts with birds and it escalates.
I think you have a problem. And I think
the only way we can stop this, birds.
We need to have a problem. We need to have a contest. We need to have a debate.
With birds.
I challenge you. I challenge you to a debate, sir.
You challenge me to a...
I do.
Debate.
A debate. On water. W.
A.
H.
W.
2. O.
What?
Wather.
Water.
Water.
Some say it is good.
Some say it is bad.
My opening arguments. This is a good thing.
This is a bad thing.
I'm pro-water.
I am anti-water. Water is the bad thing. It goes all over your face. It hurts your big butt.
What would you have me do? What would you have me do?
Outlaw water.
Outlaw water?
Yes.
I can't do that. I can't do that.
You must do that.
Though.
Water.
That was good.
What?
That was calm.
My case. Water. It's wet and cold.
That is a respectable argument, but I must disagree firmly and forever. And I will tell you why.
Why?
This is why.
But this is why.
This is why. This is why.
This is not why.
I must compliment you on your skills of debate.
Let me try and get your point of view. Water is good.
Water is bad.
Let me try and get your point of view.
Let me try and get your point of view.
My junk is wet.
My junk is wet as well.
Let me try and get your point of view.
Let me try and get your point of view.
Let me try and get your point of view. Water sucks.
I agree. We must end this thing.
One more for the honor.
One more for the honor.
Oh. Hello. We've had a lot of fun tonight with the subject of PSA'S. Let me give you one more PSA to stretch your noggin. There's a plight hitting our country today, and it's very, very serious, and I think we all need to heed our warnings. The greatest plight hitting our country today is PSA'S.
You can feel it in your blood.
You can feel it.
You have seen them coming across the murky waters, entering in the darkest, the deepest of places.
The deepest.
They know your secrets, the public service announcements. They have been in your dreams.
They have touched your children.
They have communed with your family.
They have taken our women and impregnated them with public service announcement babies.
The babies come out, they're public, they're
just very preachy, and we will not stand for this.
We will not stand for it.
We will not go quietly into the night.
We will not stand for it now.
Not ever.
Or tomorrow. And
That's it. We are standing together. Make a pledge. Pledge with us. Stand up against these public service announcements.
Good night.
Because together,
we
can
never
fail. Procrastinate?
We will, yes.
Or fail.
Good night.
And good night.
Yeah. That's that.